Hello, I'm Kaushik Haldar. I'm a digital analytics consultant with more than 20 years of experience. I have been learning data science from Mr. Kaushik Dey from Edu Creative Digitation for the past 6 months. He is a great teacher and he has taught me to think like a data scientist. He made complex topics easy to grasp, smoothly guiding me from basic Python to advanced concepts. The focus has always been on real world projects, which has allowed me to practice cleaning messy data, finding key patterns, and understanding how to build useful data models. His teaching is the reason why I can now confidently tackle real data challenges. I would highly recommend Mr. Kaushik Dey from Edu Creative Digitation based on my personal experience. If you are planning to do any form of course with him, I would highly recommend you go ahead and do that.